Hey, Health Tips viewer. Have you noticed a bunch of your hair strands on your pillow or in your shower drain lately? Have you started to notice that your hairline is receding? The average adult has about 150,000 hair strands and loses up to 100 of them a day. So don't be alarmed yet. Losing your hair though, especially at an early age, can not only affect your physical health, but your mental health as well. Excessive hair loss can be a serious problem if not paid attention to. You can become a victim of hair loss due to a number of reasons such as stress, hereditary factors, medical conditions, hair treatments, and even the wrong hair products that don't suit your hair type. Let's talk about 10 tips to regrow your hair naturally. Number 1. Onion juice. This might sound a bit weird, but using onion juice is a surefire method to boosting hair growth and promoting hair regrowth. Onion is rich in sulfur, which nourishes and regenerates your hair follicles. A recent study indicated that applying onion juice to your scalp can help your hair regrow. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onions help to prevent and treat scalp infections. A healthier scalp means less hair loss. Onion juice is pretty easy to make. Just blend 2 onions, then filter the juice using cheesecloth, making sure no onion chunks are left. Give your scalp a good massage with the onion juice in circular motions. Let it sit for an hour and rinse it off with a mild shampoo to get rid of the pungent smell. Try this once a week for the best results. Number 2. Stress reduction. High stress levels push a large number of hair follicles into a resting phase. Within a few months, the affected hair might fall out suddenly while you're simply combing or washing. Severe stress can also cause the body's immune system to attack the hair follicles, leading to hair loss. You can reduce stress through meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise. Set up a routine where you reduce or eliminate stress-causing agents from your lifestyle. Less stress equals less hair loss. Number 3. Coconut milk. You've probably heard about coconut oil being good for hair, but coconut milk is even better. It is completely natural and loaded with vitamins like niacin and folate, which improve the circulation of blood in your scalp. Coconut milk also contains vitamin E, as well as fats that help fight damage to your hair while deeply conditioning it. For application, take some coconut milk and heat it until slightly warm. Start by massaging the milk into your scalp for about 15 minutes. Once your scalp is covered, work it through your hair from the roots to the tips and leave it on for an additional 45 minutes. Then wash it out with regular shampoo. You can do this once a week. Number 4. Eggs. They can smell bad, I know, but eggs can do wonders for your hair regrowth since they're packed with proteins, minerals, and B-complex vitamins that help curb hair loss and strengthen your roots. They also help stimulate new hair growth, adding volume and thickening your hair. Don't worry, you don't have to crack an egg over your head for this. Just whisk a few eggs and olive oil in a bowl until the white and yolk are combined. Apply the beaten egg to your hair using a brush. Ensure that your hair is completely covered in the mixture. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and wash your hair with cool water. Hot water will cook the egg, making the smell impossible to get rid of. Don't say we didn't warn you. Number 5. Aloe Vera. There are numerous benefits of aloe vera for skin and body. However, you might not know that aloe vera also works to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It contains proteolytic enzymes, which naturally stimulate hair growth. Due to its antifungal properties, it's very effective against dandruff and also helps curb hair loss it may cause. It's also super easy to use. Just cut the leaf open and extract the gooey gel present inside. Apply this gel directly on your scalp and hair. Let it sit for about an hour and then rinse. Apply 2-3 times a week for best results. Number 6. Amla. Indian gooseberry or Amla is a tree native to India. It is known to contain essential fatty acids, which strengthen hair follicles, preventing them from breaking. It also contains potent antioxidants, which improve blood circulation around the scalp, stimulating hair growth. You can use Amla in the form of oil, powder, or juice, but the easiest way for your hair is with Amla oil, which you can get online. Make sure you use the kind that's 100% pure. Just warm up the oil and apply on your hair twice a week. Number 7. Head massage. A rather unconventional but effective way to let hair regrow naturally is to give your head a nice massage. Any movement on your scalp is good because it helps stimulate it. This increases the blood supply to the scalp, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Studies have shown that with a 4-minute scalp massage once a day for several weeks, there was a significant increase in the progression of the hair cycle. If you have fine, thin hair, then do it gently, very gently, like you are handling a delicate thread. If you have never done a hair massage or are scared that you might break more hair, just tap your scalp with your fingers or stroke your hair and it should be good enough. You can also use various oils like coconut, almond, and sesame in the massage as well. Number 8. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a time-tested solution for all hair and scalp problems. Being a rich source of various nutrients like vitamin C, BA, antioxidants, and folic acid, it is a power-packed natural remedy for hair growth. Lemon juice has been known to stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair regrowth. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil and apply this mixture evenly on your head. Wait for 1 hour and then wash your hair with mild shampoo. Repeat this once every week to maximize hair growth. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apart from its many other uses, apple cider vinegar are beneficial for hair growth. It has properties which help it ward off bacteria and maintain balanced EC levels to stimulate hair growth. It gently exfoliates the scalp as well. It's fairly easy to use. Wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo. Then mix apple cider vinegar with water, and after washing your hair, use a cup of this ACV solution as the final rinsee. Use this every time you wash your hair and see the magic unfold. Is your hair falling out? Do you intend to try one of these tips? Let us know in the comments section below.